120 grit right now to develop what's called the burr. And that's where you take the edge down to a very fine point and you get this kind of feathery looking piece of metal that comes off the edge. And you'll see that as we go, that it pops off of the light and reflects. 120 grit belt to a 240 grit belt. Now we're using the 240 grit that we got the burr set, and now we're going to start refining the edge and polishing all of the scratch marks out of it. Usually do like 3 or 4 passes. And the key to getting an even edge is keeping it perpendicular to the direction of the belt. Alright, so what you're seeing is that this is much more polished than the 120 grit. We took it up to 240, and now we're going to hit it with an 800 grit and get this nice and shiny on the edge. Much smoother edge now than from the 240 to the 800. Alright, so next we're going on to the leather strap. I got a 4000 grit diamond paste on there to polish the burr off of the edge, and that's what gives us a razor sharp edge. Check out that mirror polish.